My name's Keaton Lynn. I'm the founder of Trybe and I've been running the company. We're a health performance company for the past 2 to 3 years. I've been dealing with calf issue for the past 9 years. And what it would feel like is like a shooting pain, almost like I'm tearing my calf muscle. And my problem was it would go from left to right and back and forth. And this would happen every couple of weeks, every couple of months, every year at a very inconsistent timing. I knew about fascia and I've done things like Graston or using a foam roller. Went to various folks, didn't know what it was, and I went to a bunch of PTs, chiropractors, massage therapists, you name it. Really hindered my ability to run, even do sprints, workouts, sports, do just kind of day-to-day life. To be involved with, my girlfriend and her kids, it's very important to me to be able to participate in soccer or whatever activities that we're gonna be playing on the weekend. If I'm unable to do that, then I'm unable to participate, then I'm unable to bond, and for me, that's a really big issue. The initial exam that we went through with Dr. Cohen was about an hour, I believe, hour and a half. Dr. Cohen really looked at the big picture rather than just the state of injury, which I had experienced prior to with PTs and other folks. And so I came into FRI about 3 months ago looking to solve this problem, and as of today, I've been able to run like 44 miles just this week. I've never been able to put up this type of volume, this type of consistency in days of running, and I have put more training volume within these last 10 weeks than I have in the last 9 years. We're good in obviously certain other areas, but they couldn't really diagnose my issue. We got blood tests, which most people don't do. We looked at sleep, we looked at nutrition, what I'm doing during the day, my workouts. And so if you look at it in terms of a whole body picture, it really starts to break down and you start to see where that issue might be occurring. And this was the first time that he was able to break down what it could potentially be. I drive 35 minutes to get here and we were doing once a week sessions. So having the dedication, and he actually asked me why I wanted to do this to make sure that I was committed, which I appreciated. Price tag, just for anyone, is it worth the price tag that it comes with it? For me, I looked at, I've had this injury, let's say for 9 years. And if he's gonna be able to solve that, then I'm willing to do that. And if I can live my life the way that I want to, then I believe that it's worth it. Not only do I like his professional skills, but he's fun to hang out with, and he gives a great vibe in terms of stories, keeping conversations light. He's very informative, and I genuinely enjoy my time here.